Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Honor Magic X7. So to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Microsoft Edge. Click install on it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it here. Now we can begin the setup, so sign in to turn on synchronization or do it later. Here you can accept for the data sharing preferences, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and finally start browsing. Let's open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.